If your action cam clips are consistently looking blown out and look nothing like the videos you see online, I'm going to show you the exact settings that I run on my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. DJI really took the podium in the action cam world, and there's a list of things that this camera can do that most can't. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact settings for shooting in D-Log. This 10-bit color profile covers over 1 million shades of color and preserves more dynamic range in both your highlights and your shadows. And this right here is the key to getting high quality footage. But just remember, shooting in log doesn't magically make your footage look better. The final step is crucial to getting your clips to look like this. And if you miss it, your footage will look worse than before, I promise, so don't skip it. And the first thing you're gonna need is this boost lens. So your interface is probably gonna look something like this. So the first thing you wanna change is your resolution. Change your resolution to 4K 16 by 9 and your frames per second to 24 frames per second. You want just a regular rocksteady on, and over here to the right, keep it on ultra wide. Tap these two lines right here. You're gonna put your exposure on manual. This is gonna be your shutter speed. This number can be flexible. On this side, you have your ISO. ISO, keep that at 100. If you need more light, you can raise it, but 100 is ideal. Next up, you have your color. Your camera's probably gonna come in normal 10-bit, but we're gonna change this to D-Log M 10-bit. And over here on the left, it says color recovery. We're gonna keep that on. Down here, you have your adjustments. Texture, put it at -1. And noise reduction, also -1. That is the exact setting you want on your camera. Now I'm gonna show you how to save that as a preset and you never have to set these settings again. Swipe down, hit the little person icon there, click this person icon with the plus sign, and choose what scene you want to save this as. Since for this one, riding my bike, I'm gonna click the bike one. So now every single time I want to get the same exact shot like this, all you have to do is click your presets here and you'll have your preset, click that, and now you're in that mode you just set. All right, and the last thing you need to do, and this was the step I was talking about at the beginning of the video, that if you miss it, your footage is gonna look worse than before. You have to apply a LUT to this footage in post in order for the colors to actually pop. And luckily for all of us, DJI made a free LUT that we can download and put on top of our footage, and it's extremely easy to use. You don't have to be a professional color grader to do this. Whether you're using a professional software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, or you're just using an app on your phone, from the DJI app to the CapCut app, you can import presets into those apps. Otherwise, if you just use the footage straight out of the camera, it's gonna look extremely washed out. D-Log footage doesn't show any highlights or shadows, leaving you with a completely flat image. Applying LUTs to your footage is extremely easy, and color grading has to be one of the most overlooked things there is in video editing, and this is exactly what separates pro footage from amateur footage. But if you take editing serious and you want to take your video edits to the next level, you can book a one-on-one editing session with me. I'll put the link down in the description. Help you get your footage looking dialed, help you get your camera settings dialed, and overall, help you create better videos that people like to watch. If you made it this far, thanks for watching the video, and please drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.